You okay? Hi, I'm Amanda. This is me. This is my boyfriend, Zach. He's pretty special. Sometimes he eats some really weird food, but he enjoys it and we love him anyway. This is our van. This is our last week to finish our conversion before we move in full time, and we have been working really hard. We put in these overhead cabinets above the bed that will serve as all of our closet space for clothes storage. Over the sink, we cut the countertop so that it can continuously flow over the sink and create more countertop space. But it's also removable and shows how awesome of a sink we have down there. Zach has been finishing up our plumbing, which has been really crazy. So he's made many stops at Home Depot. It may or may not be causing him to lose his mind, but he has managed to complete some really big tasks, so here they are.
Our super cool new friends came by and brought us a gift, and we are so excited to open it. Oh my gosh.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a card.
Oh, sick.
Riley, Amanda, and Zach.
No
They
way.
even spelled his name right.
Oh my god.
R-A-N-Z. Good luck and bon voyage. Please be safe, and we look forward to your blog and Instagram posts. Love, neighbor, and new friend. Awesome stamps for
Nice.
picture postcards.
No
We can send
freaking way.
postcards.
What?
Oh, we'll have to send them some.
Why are they so cool? How are
That's
you guys so
cute.
cool? You guys are absolutely amazing. They get it. They get it. You guys get it. And like, you guys are the people that we need in the world. And we are spreading the stoke with everyone. Like, oh my gosh, thank you guys so freaking much. It really makes us feel like we're doing the right thing when this kind of stuff happens. So keep on keeping on, guys.
We also have packed up all of our winter clothes, including snowboard gear and wetsuits, into these space-saving bags that will be stored on top of the van in our luggage carrier. I also made window covers for the side window, back windows, and the windshield. But that was in the past. Today is Saturday, and it's move-in day.
We're moving in. We are moving in. Today is the day.
And there's a hurricane coming.
We're getting everything ready. We got to get the walls painted. We got to get our clothes in the cabinets. We got to get the cabinet doors on. We got to put our bed in. So it is on.
Painted, and then I don't know how far the bed's gonna come in, but I don't really want the camera in my face right now. But yeah.
I'm gonna get to painting.
You.
2, 3, 4. are done.
Oh my God. Yes, 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 yes.
Smoothies!
Oh my
In
God,
the
you're
spice
the best.
rack!
Yes.
When you have the best mom ever and she vacuums stuff. Yeah, Mom! So believe it or not, it is actually time to put our bed in, dude. This is a legendary moment. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Does it fit?
We hope so.
The bed is in!
Yeah!
Okay, so it's super gnarly right now. We absolutely cannot keep up with filming whatsoever. There's absolutely no way. We are freaking frantically loading the van and trying to get everything out of the house, get the house clean, get it ready for the renters moving in tomorrow morning. So it is absolutely savage right now, and we will be with you guys here shortly with some more news, and we'll probably be loaded up by the time we see you guys next. So, we are walking out of the house for the last time.
Riley keeps going back into the house because he
Yeah.
doesn't know that we're leaving. Riley, come here.
We are leaving the house. We are leaving the house. We are leaving the house. And we are going into the van. And it's happening right now. And it's pretty surreal. So,
Oof.
insane. Absolutely insane. I can't even fathom it because it's been such an insane week of getting ready for this. And there's still some stuff that I didn't get done, but either way, freaking, we're leaving the house. And renters are coming in the morning, so.
Shall we?
Insane.
Just. It's like, oh, where am I going? Come on, Bubba. You have the key?
They're somewhere in the van, I think.
Alright, buddy, this is home now.
The garage is, well,
Right up.
we're leaving it like this, unfortunately. Ew. Ice cream! Ice cream! Yeah. Looking gnarly in here. Look at that bone broth. Brah.
Is he okay?
Riley's first night in the van. He's a little unsure for sure, dude. But we're here. Believe it or not, we're in my parents' front yard right now. So thanks, Mom and Dad. We plugged in. We got the AC going. It's freaking blowing me out, dude.
It's cold.
It's freezing. I mean, chocolate freaking vegan gelato,
It was resting
dude.
on the toilet.
Oh my God, it was on the toilet, dude. Toilet cream, dog. First night officially in the van, pretty much. What did you say? It's first night in the van.
It's the first night in the van.
First night in the van right now. It's amazing. I mean, dang, dude.
These are the most bomb sheets ever. Like, no joke. I don't know what they're called. I'd plug them. They're from Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, I remember. It's Pure Beach. You have paint on the lens. Pure Beach sheets from Bed Bath & Beyond. Worth every penny. You have chocolate on your hand.
We'll let you guys know how the van sleep was in the morning. The first van sleep of all time. We are freaking stoked, dude. You. See you guys in the morning. Right. Right, the boopy bye.